Welcome to the course content of Understanding Natural Light. Understanding natural light to enhance your photography, to improve your photography. Have a look at these images. One taken in flat natural light and another taken in better natural light. But the difference is huge. The photo taken in better natural light is extremely good and eye-catchy rather than taken in flat natural light. These images are self-explanatory why we should focus on lighting. Lighting is the single most important thing for better photography. If you want to take great photos, you need to make sure that you have great lighting because it can make a huge difference. One of the most important difference between amateur level of photography and pro level photography is utilization of light. You can't skip light and you must not skip light if you want to become a pro level photographer. Have a look in this image to have several concepts on light and time. Before the sunrise, the blue hour starts. The time span of blue hour nearly 40 minutes, but it varies in season to season. After the sunrise, the golden hour starts. The golden hour, often called as magic hour. After the golden hour, contrast of light increases, and in the midday, the contrast of light reaches in its peak level. After the midday, light contrast starts to decrease, and before the sunset, again, golden hour starts, and after the sunset, the blue hour exists for nearly 1 hour time span. And here I have prepared a table where time of delay and night broken down based on type of light. The dawn and dusk are blue hour light, sunrise and sunset are golden hour light, morning and afternoon are high contrast light, midday is the highest contrast light, and moonlight is very low contrast light. Analysis shows that midday is the worst time to take a photo because that time light is too harsh and subject stinks in front of harsh light. It is quite hard to get good photos in midday. Also, there is scope to take better photos using reflector and asking subject to move under the tree or building. An analysis shows that blue hour and golden hour is the best time to take photo. And morning and afternoon is not the best time to take photo, but good time to take photo. Moonlight is also good time to take photo, but you should have expertise in low light photography.